Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can turn off your chat history in Google Chat. So to do so, first of all, you need to be in the app library and find Google Chat. So after finding Google Chat, just open it. Now once you're in the home screen, just go to the conversation. Just go to any conversation and tap on their username, where you can find the conversation options such as start a new chat, manage apps, history is on, mark is unread, search in conversation, unpin, mute, notification, hide conversation, and many more. So the third option is history is on. So to turn it off, just click on this button and now you have turned off your history. So guys, that's how you turn off chat history in Google Chat. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and leave a comment down below. And if you want more videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.